Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I've come back with another video guys. So today I'll be showing you how to get gel out of aloe plant. So guys, if you're interested, let's go ahead and get started. A knife and also a spoon. So let's go ahead and get started. So guys, this is how it looks like. Actually, it's full, and I can't wait to see my hair how it will turn out using the fresh aloe vera gel. So guys, as you can see, this is how my gel came out, or this is how my gel turned out, and I can't wait to use it on my locks. I'll be storing it in my fridge for a week. I hope I'll do a video showing you how do I twist my locks using aloe vera gel. That's what I had for today, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you in my next video.